Hello, Paul Zammit of the Toronto Botanical Garden. If you look outside, check your calendar, you know the holiday season will soon be upon us. And I want to let you know about a very special event that's happening here at the Toronto Botanical Garden. It takes place on November the 28th. It is our holiday open house. The building will have a holiday market with 40 plus local vendors offering all sorts of wonderful items for great gift-giving ideas. The Garden Club of Toronto will also have decked the halls, and they too will have tables set up with all sorts of treasures. They're also this year offering wonderful outdoor containers, both hanging baskets and urns, and they can take orders for you at the Garden Club of Toronto office. I also draw your attention, of course, to our garden gift shop here at the Toronto Botanical Garden. And our volunteers and Martha, our amazing buyer, have been very busy, as you can see, decorating from behind me and in front of me. And I'd just like to highlight a couple items that I think are super exciting for this holiday season. My favorite mug so far is the Holiday Hoot. I always have the love for owls, and I just love how this is decorated. We also have gifts for your feathered friends in the garden. We have wonderful candles, locally made. These come from Montreal, and beautiful fragrances, but I love the botanical packaging on here as well. For those of you who want to give a secondary life, and we're all about recycling here at the Toronto Botanical Garden, your champagne or your wine bottles, what about adding a little bit of pop to them with these wonderful sparkly lights? We do offer our jumbo amaryllis, and I recommend shopping early for the best selection. Extra large bulbs, and you know what that means. The larger the bulb, often the more spikes that you get and the more flowers per spike. On the holiday open house, we will have our Amaryllis Bling Bar, where we'll be potting up amaryllis for you and helping to decorate them, just part of the service. And of course, we love to get our hands dirty, so we'd be pleased to do that. And we will also have fresh greens. And to me, there's nothing like the holidays without having things like wonderful southern magnolia, and I love the fragrance of pine indoors. And I know you've been waiting for it. At the holiday open house, we will be launching the Toronto Botanical Garden Honey. It is the one day that it becomes available. We have an excellent harvest this year. I can tell you it tastes absolutely incredible. So all sorts of wonderful gift-giving ideas. Now a reminder, you may want to shop in advance of that for other gift items because our inventory in the shop is going very, very quickly. So we hope to see you on November the 28th from 10 to 7 for our holiday open house. And from all of us here at the Toronto Botanical Garden, we wish you a happy and safe holiday season.